Didn't think you would ever believe in me. Now I see your colors, now they're in my